How to make money with the Base app. Looking to earn money using the Base app. Here's a simple breakdown to get you started. First, understand what Base actually is. It's a blockchain platform designed for fast, low-cost transactions, which makes it perfect for earning opportunities in crypto. One of the easiest ways to make money is through airdrops. New projects on Base often reward early users, so interact with apps, swap tokens, and stay active. This can qualify you for free tokens later. Next, try trading. You can buy and sell tokens on decentralized exchanges within Base. The key here is to research projects early and look for growth potential. Another method is providing liquidity. By adding your crypto to liquidity pools, you earn a share of transaction fees. Just be aware of risks like impermanent loss. You can also explore NFT flipping, buy undervalued NFTs and sell them later for a profit if demand increases. Lastly, stay updated. Follow new projects launching on Base because early adoption is where most opportunities are. That's it. Simple strategies to start making money with the Base app. Start small, learn as you go, and manage your risk.